Hello and welcome. Microsoft Excel is obviously a very powerful application once you understand how to use its formulas. Now, being able to use those formulas in a way that allows you to do complex applications allows you to be more flexible with it. It means then that when you see things like using budgets, loan amortization tables, inventory lists, warehouse inventory, and home inventory means that you can structure a number of different ways to track, calculate, and analyze your data. But there are certain aspects of creating formulas and calculations that you're going to want to know. For example, the one that you're seeing right now is a way of being able to create a formula that you can use in certain ways in your Excel document. We will be talking about equations like this in the course. We're also going to talk about setting up basic logical formulas, which gives you a lot of latitude over how you're going to display your data. And even though it's not numerical, you have text formulas, which will again help you to be able to create more flexibility with your documents. We'll do the same with lookup formulas, financial formulas, and date and time formulas. We'll take a closer look at using the sort command in data. We'll talk about formulating your data into a table, as well as a special kind of table called a pivot table, which will help you to display your data even more effectively. We'll talk about both chart and map formation in addition to the 3D map formation. And we'll talk about exporting your Excel data into other Office documents. We'll demonstrate cell protection and collaboration, and we'll talk about the interface with Google Sheets. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.